In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the homepage content on a Joomla website. Whether you're brand new to Joomla or just need a refresher, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process. So let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Joomla website's administrator panel. This is your website's command center where you manage everything from content to site settings. Make sure you have your login credentials handy to access the admin area. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the main administrator menu. There you'll want to look for and click on the menus option. The menus area is crucial because it's where Joomla organizes your navigation. It's the backbone of how visitors move around your site. Within the menus section, search for the main menu or the menu that manages your homepage. This is typically labeled directly as such because it serves as the primary navigation for website viewers. Select this menu to see a list of the various menu items included. Your next step is to locate the exact menu item that corresponds with your homepage. Most of the time, this will be evident by a small home icon or by having the name Home. Spotting this icon or title should be straightforward, but take a moment to ensure you're clicking on the right one. Once you have found the home menu item, click on it to open its settings. This will bring up all the configuration options that dictate how your homepage operates. Here you're on the verge of customizing your front-facing content. Now pay attention to the setup of your homepage. If your homepage is built using an article, you will find yourself in the article editor once you select this option. Here, you have the tools to edit the text, manipulate images, and adjust other content pieces in much the same way that you would using a word processor. If your homepage is constructed using modules, however, you might need to head directly into the module settings or edit the module content to make your desired changes. After completing your edits, remember to click the Save or Save and Close button. This essential step ensures your changes are stored and applied to the site. If you don't click Save, all your hard work could be lost when you navigate away from this page. Finally, to admire your updates and verify everything is looking just right, switch over to the front end of your website. Refresh the homepage and take note of your newly edited content as it is presented to visitors. That wraps up our tutorial on modifying your Joomla homepage content. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your Joomla site like a pro. Feel free to reach out with any further questions or for more tutorials. Keep creating, and see you next time.